Here's a more advanced tutorial for organizing your team tasks using tabs. Step 1. On the main board, add the Team Plan tool. Here I am on our main board. Now I'm going to add the Team Plan tool. Once you're on the Team Plan tool, let's add a lane for each team member you want to track. Step 2. For each project your team is working on, add a tab. Each tab is a board that you can use for a project or task category, or to organize anything else you need to. You can also add a new board in this drop-down here, where you add a tab. So let's say one of these tabs is called Social Media Posts. Step 3. Go to the tab and select which tool to use for that board. Since this board is for organizing tasks, I'm going to make it a task board. Remember, you can change tools at any time. Since I made this a task board, I'm going to add and assign a few tasks, and I'm going to set some due dates. Step 4. Add more tabs as you need to. Once we're done here, we can go back to the current tab. You can see all of the tasks you've added to the social media board. And you can add more tabs with boards for other projects or things you need to organize. Then you can do the same for each board. So for example, let's go directly to our social media board. Now let's add tabs for Twitter, TikTok, and Pinterest. Here, these tabs will use the tool from our current board, which is the Task Board tool. Remember, you can change tools at any time. Now we can quickly add tasks for each of these task boards. Step 5. Add more tools as you need to. We can add more tools to any of these boards. So let's say for our social media post board, we want to add the calendar tool, so we can see the tasks on a calendar. Then we can quickly switch back to the task board tool if we want to see all of the tasks in our boards again. And here's a quick pro tip. For each tool you use on the main board, you can decide which tabs you want to show. So here on my plan, I can add the tabs to boards that I use most often. And here on Starter, which we use as the landing page for our workspace, we can add tabs for boards we're currently focused on. Try it out for yourself at friyay.io.